Hello guys and welcome back na naman sa ating channel. And gusto mo bang mag-invest sa real estate properties pero wala kang pangkapital ngayon? Alam mo ba na pwede kang mag-invest sa real estate properties indirectly for as low as 700 pesos as of the creation of this video? So kung interested ka kung paano malaman yan, panoorin mo tong video natin. So ano ba tong investment na sinasabi ko na 700 lang makakapag-invest ka na sa real estate properties indirectly? Well, itong investment na to is tinatawag na REIT or Real Estate Investment Trust. And paano nga ba ito nagwo-work? In simple terms, di ba, kapag mayroon kang real estate property, ang ginagawa mo dyan, minamanage mo yung property mo and lahat ng kikitain ng property, whether it is rental income or yung capital appreciation from the proceeds of selling that real estate property, mapupunta sa'yo. So, ganun pag nag-invest ka sa real estate property directly. Pero alam mo ba na meron tayong indirect investment into the real estate properties wherein meron tayong property manager in the middle. So, ayun yung real estate investment trust. So, parang ang mangyayari dito, meron tayong properties and then sa gitna, may company and then tayong mga owners, di ba? Or shareholders. So, ganun nagwo-work yun. So, lahat ng kikitain ng real estate properties, lahat ng rental income na minus lahat ng expenses, mapupunta sa company. And yung company, required yan under the law to declare 90% of its distributable income to its shareholders. So, parang ang ganda ng pakinggan kasi nga parang ikaw na rin yung business owner kasi talagang lahat ng kikitain or almost all is mapupunta sa'yo. So, ano-ano nga ba yung mga REIT na available as of this date? So, currently, meron tayong tatlong available na REIT this week. So, unahin dyan si Ayala REIT, Double Dragon REIT, and PhilInvest REIT. So, kung gusto nyo mag-invest sa mga companies na yan, mag-login lang kayo sa stock market account nyo and then bumili kayo ng mga shares of stocks nila. And then, meron din tayong mga upcoming pa, si Robinson's Land REIT, and then si Mega World REIT. So, pwede kayo mag-avail ng mga shares nila sa IPO nila. Okay? And now, let us compare naman kung anong pinagkaiba nitong real estate investment trust sa isang investment sa real estate property. And when we say real estate property, on all our examples here will be yung ating house and lot. So, may kasamang lupa. Okay? So, unahin natin yung kung paano kakikita sa dalawang types of investments na to. Siyempre, unang-una dyan yung ating cash flows. Kapag ka REIT, dividend income ang tawag. Kapag ka naman real estate property, ang tawag dyan, rental income. So, sa real estate investment trust, kumikita ka dito ng dividend quarterly. So, quarterly, nagbibigay ng dividend yung company. Diba, sabi ko nga kanina, 90% ng kikitain ng company na to, ibibigay sa shareholder. So, kahit magkano pa yung kitain, basta 90% ng distributable income sa shareholders na yan. Required yan under the law. So, paano ba kino-compute yung kikitain mo sa dividend income from your investment? So, ganito lang yan. Kunin mo yung last quarterly dividend nila. So, for example, kay Double Dragon Meridian Park, ang kanyang last dividend payment is around 0.02. So, isang quarter yon. Ilan bang quarters meron sa isang taon? So, for simplicity, times 4 na lang natin. Wala tayong growth na i-assume. Okay? So, times 4. So, ang makukuha mo dito is 0.08 dividend per share annually. Okay? So, 0.08, magkano ba yung presyo ni Double Dragon right now? Ang presyo niya ngayon as of the creation of this video is 1.79. So, yung 1.79 per share na investment mo, kikita na yon ng 0.08. So, kung itatranslate natin to into a percentage, kikita ka dito ng 0.08 sa isang taon over sa presyo ng isang share ngayon, 1.79. So, makakakuha ka dito ng 4.47% annually gross of tax. So, kung inenet natin yung tax, so mga around 4% yung kikitain mo dito annually, which is already good enough to hedge against the inflation of 4% this July 2021. So, pwede na para ma-offset yung inflation. And then, let's have another example. Ito naman si REIT. Magkano ba yung dividend per share niya? So, ang dividend per share niya ngayon is 0.42. Tapos, ita-times 4 natin. So, makakuha ka dito ng 1.68 per share na dividend annually. And then magkano ba yung presyo niya ngayon? Ang presyo niya ngayon is 36.25. So kung i-calculate natin to, makakuha ka ng 4.63% gross of tax. And kung tatanggalin natin yung tax na 10%, so makakuha ka ng around 4.17% annual return, which is also higher than the 4% inflation this July, di ba? So pwede na to hedge against the inflation. And now, let us compare naman itong yield nitong real estate investment trust sa real estate property. So according to this website, ang annual return ng isang real estate property is nasa 6.13%. So kung titingnan nyo, di ba, mas malaki yung return ng real estate property na 6% kesa dun sa ating real estate investment trust na 4%. Pero ito, yung 6% na yan, syempre, tataksan mo pa yung owner ng real estate property. So kung titingnan natin yung tax table sa individual, di ba nagre-range ito ng 0 to 35%. So depending on the level of your overall income. So lahat ng income mo, i-add mo muna para makuha yung iyong taxable income. So kapag ka 30% yung magiging iyong tax, so yung return mo na 6% times 30% ay yung mababawas, di ba? So overall, parang kikita lang din dito ng nasa 4 to 5%, di ba? So depending on the tax rate that will be applicable to you. So with regard to this, I will be neutral on which investment is better when it comes to the yield. Kasi para sa akin, 4 to 5% parehas lang to eh. So I will be neutral with regard to the dividend yield or rental income yield. Kaya pumunta naman tayo sa pangalawang way kung paano kakikita dito sa dalawang investment na to. So unahin natin yung REIT. So sa REIT, pwede rin mag-appreciate yung value ng iyong shares of stock. So let's have an example. So ang example natin is si Ayala REIT. So nag-IPO to last year, 2020, 27 pesos per share. Pero magkano na yung per share niya ngayon? So 36.25. So in terms of percentage, magkano na yung in-appreciate ng iyong investment? So ito nasa around 34% already, di ba? So within 1 year, nakakuha ka na ng 34% dun sa iyong initial investment. And this is on top of the dividend income na kinita mo pa, di ba? So kung nag-invest ka dito ng 100,000, yung 100,000 mo magiging 134,000 na, di ba? So kumita na yung iyong initial investment on top of your dividend. Pero take note, since shares of stocks ito, naapektuhan ito ng supply and demand of the shares of stock in the stock market. And kung nag-appreciate yung price ng isang shares, pwede rin itong bumagsak. So ano yung halimbawa natin dito? Ang halimbawa natin dito is si Double Dragon Meridian Park REIT. Nag-IPO to ng 2.25 pesos per share. And magkano na ang presyo niya ngayon? 1.79. So lugi ka na ng around 0.46 pesos per share or nasa 20%. So kung nag-invest ka ng 100,000 pesos dito, ang value nan ngayon is nasa around 80,000 na lamang, di ba? So nalulugi dito sa REIT. Now, let us compare it sa isang real estate property na investment. So most of the time, yung iyong real estate property will just appreciate. And very close to none yung chance na bumaba yung value ng isang real estate property, lalo na kung may land. Bakit? Kasi yung populasyon natin dito sa Pilipinas, di ba lumalaki yan ng lumalaki every year. Pero yung lupa ng Pilipinas, hindi yan nadadagdagan, di ba? Unless magtayo ka ng temporary island, di ba? So ay yung lupa natin dito sa Philippines is scarce. So yung demand ng lupa every year, since dumadami yung population, lumalaki yan ng lumalaki. And due to that, yung value talaga ng real estate property, lalo na kung may land to, is most of the time will just appreciate. Hindi katulad nitong REIT na pwedeng bumaba yung value ng iyong investment due to the supply and demand of the shares in the stock market. So with regard to that, I will be in favor of real estate property when it comes to the capital appreciation. Kasi lugi si REIT dito kasi nalulugi yung value ng iyong investment sa isang REIT investment. Next comparison natin will be the affordability when it comes to these two types of investment. Unahin natin si REIT. So sa REIT, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, for as low as 700 pesos dito kay PhilInvest REIT, makakapag-invest ka na into real estate properties indirectly. Kasi ang board lot nitong 7 pesos na PhilInvest REIT is nasa 100. So every 100 yung mabibili mo na share. So 7 times 100 shares, 700 pesos lang makakapag-invest ka na dito. Wherein, compare natin ito sa isang real estate property na you need 100,000 for the down payment. So for example, meron kang property na bibilihin 5 million million pesos. So usually, ang mga down payment terms niyan is nasa 10 to 30%. So you need at least 500,000 pesos in order to do the down payment. And on top of that, di ba, kailangan mo pang kumuha ng housing loan na babayaran mo monthly. So ayun, with regard to the affordability, I will vote in favor of REIT kasi for as low as 700 pesos, pwede ka na mag-invest sa isang REIT. Okay? So, ang third type of comparison natin dito sa dalawang investment na to will be the involvement in the management of your properties. Unahin natin dito sa REIT. Sa REIT, since meron ka ng company dyan na nagmamanage ng properties, di ba? Indirect investor ka. So, sila nang bahala mag-manage ng property mula sa paghahanap ng lessee, pag-collect, maintenance, improvement, insurance, payment of taxes, and all other administrative tasks. So, ang gagawin mo na lang dito as a shareholder, upo ka na lang dyan and magkolekta ka na lang ng kikitain ng property. So, ayun yung maganda dito. Pero, sa real estate properties, of course, since you are the owner, you will have to manage your own property. So, hanap ka dyan ng magli-lease, yung collection of the rental payments, payment of taxes, and many other administrative tasks. Or unless mag-hire ka ng someone na magmamanage ng property mo, di ba? Which will cost you more. So, with regard to this, I will vote in favor of REIT. Kasi dito, in terms of passiveness, uupo ka na lang talaga and magkokolekta ka ng kikitain ng properties. Okay? Ang fourth comparison natin will be with regard to the ownership. Dito sa REIT, since indirect investor ka, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na, uy, may 700 pesos investment ako dito sa REIT na to. Akin yung handle ng bintana. So, hindi ganon. Wala kang specific part dun sa property kasi yung owner ng property is yung company. Ikaw as an investor, meron ka lang yung mga rights of the shareholders. So, that includes yung right to collect the dividends and right to participate dun sa management of the company, di ba? So, pwede ka mag-participate sa stockholders meeting since isa kang shareholder. Pero, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na, uy, akin yung handle ng building na to, di ba? And hindi mo rin siya pwedeng tirahan kasi hindi sa'yo directly yung property. And let us compare it sa isang real estate property investment. So, ikaw yung owner ng property. So, kapag ka wala nagre-renta ngayon, pwede mo yang tirahan kasi nga sa'yo yung property and sa'yo yung ownership and title of the property. So, pwede mong gawin lahat ng gusto mo dun sa iyong property kasi directly sa'yo yung property. So, with regard to the ownership, I will be in favor of the real estate property kasi sa'yo mapupunta talaga ultimately yung title of the real estate property. So, ang fifth comparison natin will be the liquidity when it comes to disposing the asset. So, ang meaning kasi ng liquidity, how fast can you turn the asset into cash, di ba? So, sa real estate investment trust or REIT investment natin, you can dispose it anytime. Day 1, day 2, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 years. So, you can dispose it anytime during the market hours. So, Mondays to Fridays except holidays, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. as of the creation of this video. So, pwede mo yung ibenta anytime during that period. And let us compare it kapag ibebenta mo na yung real estate property. So, sa real estate property disposal, di ba, madami ka pa ipaprocess dyan. Yung documents, and then maghahanap ka pa ng buyers. So, ayun, that will take months in order for you to dispose the real estate property. And with regard to this comparison, I will be favoring REIT. Kasi sa REIT, pwede mong kuhanin agad-agad yung iyong investment anytime. So, ang sixth type of comparison natin with regard to these two types of investment will be with regard to the cash outflows. So, yung ilalabas mo na pera. Dito sa REIT, wala kang commitment dyan to do monthly investment. So, anytime pwede ka mag-invest as long as meron kang pera and gusto mong invest ito dito sa REIT. Whereas, sa real estate property directly, di ba, kapag ka kumuha ka ng housing loan, di ba, kailangan mo talagang bayaran yung iyong monthly amortization. And what if bigla kang mawala ng trabaho, biglang mawala ng lessee, so wala kang pagkukuhanan ng cash flows and there will be a risk na ma-foreclose yung iyong property kapag ka hindi ka nakapagbayad sa iyong monthly amortization. Pero yan, may grace period naman yan. So, most of the time, makakabayad ka naman dyan, hopefully, di ba? Pero ayun, may risk ka dito since committed ka dyan monthly, especially if may housing loan ka, di ba? So, with regard to the cash outflow, I will be favoring REIT kasi dito, hindi ka talaga required na mag-invest consistently, di ba? Pero mas maganda kung nag-i-invest ka consistently kasi lumalaki yung investment mo and syempre, yung monetary amount ng iyo magiging dividends, di ba? So, ayun yan. So ayun lang yung mga major comparisons nitong ating real estate investment trust and real estate properties. Now, tanongin naman natin yung mga sarili natin, bakit natin ko-consider na pag-investan itong real estate investment trust? Unang-una dyan, in terms of passiveness, since dividend income to, pwede ka na lang umupo dyan and magkolekta quarterly ng iyong dividends. So ayun, if you're expanding your sources of income, diba, dividend is one of those. And you may consider REIT with regard to the dividends kasi nga 90% of its distributable income is kailangan talagang ibigay sa mga shareholders. Pangalawa, you can always recover yung iyong capital losses through the dividend collections, diba? So kunwari, yung ating DDMPR, nalugi ka ng 20%. Pero every year, nakakakuha ka ng 4% for example. So in 5 years, 4% times 5 years, mababawi mo yung 20% na capital losses mo. Pero yun nga lang, syempre, lugi ka sa inflation. Pero nevertheless, yung nominal value ng iyong investment is mababawi mo through the dividends. Diba? Next is yung ating liquidity. So with regard to the liquidity, syempre, pwede mong i-dispose anytime, anywhere, during the market hours, yung iyong investment sa real estate investment trust. And wala ka talagang commitment dito. For example, 5 years, 10 years, hindi ka fully committed na iwan dun yung pera mo. You can always withdraw anytime. So kapag ka meron kayong emergency, for example, and kailangan nyo ng pera, you can pull out immediately. Diba? And the last thing that you should consider before investing, of course, is yung affordability nitong isang real estate investment trust, diba? For as low as 700 pesos, part owner ka na ng mga properties ni PhilInvest na kasama dun sa basket of the real estate investment trust. So ayun, napag-usapan na natin yung mga ng bagay kung bakit mo dapat consider na mag-invest sa isang real estate investment trust. Now, pag-usapan naman natin, bakit ka hindi dapat mag-invest sa isang real estate investment trust? Una-una dyan, merong other companies na nagbibigay ng similar or even higher dividend yield than the REIT. So, ano yung mga example? Una-una dyan, si PLDT or si TEL. Ang current yield niya ngayon is 6% gross. So, kung inenet natin to sa taxes, makakakuha dito ng 5.4%. Whereas, kung i-compare natin to sa REIT, nagre-range lang ng 4% net of taxes. Diba? So, kay TEL or PLDT, 5.4%. Dito sa REIT, is nasa 4% lamang. So next, meron tayong alternative investment which is more conservative. So when I say conservative, nape-preserve yung capital mo. So hindi na mabawasan yung capital mo. So ano tong investment na to? Ito yung MP2. So Pag-ibig MP2. So dito, maglalagay ka lang ng pera and then i-commit mo to for a period of 5 years. So hindi mo pwedeng withdrawin for a period of 5 years pero kikita ka dito ng dividend din. So paano nga ba mag-i-invest dito sa isang real estate investment trust? So simple lang. Bukas ka lang ng isang stock market account. So, meron akong tutorial dyan kung wala pa kayo stock market account. So, click nyo yung link above and then meron din sa description below. And then, you have to buy the stock that you want. Diba? So, pwede kang pumili between a REIT, Ayala REIT, DDMPR or Double Dragon REIT, and then, yung bago natin, si PhilInvest REIT or si PhilErd. So, PhilErd. So, ayun, type nyo lang yung stock code and then quantity and then price. And then, makakabili na kayo ng isang REIT stock. Diba? Meron din tayong tutorial dyan on how you can use your stock market account application. Diba? So, click nyo rin yung link above and then meron din sa description below. So, ayun lang for this video. So, I hope may natutunan kayo sa video natin ngayon. And I hope you also consider investing into REIT, lalo na kung pasok ito sa iyong investment goals. Diba? And actually, this was my third investment on this channel. And I actually put 10,000 pesos already on this investment. And I will just keep on adding into this real estate investment trust investment since this is also one of the ways that I can diversify my portfolio. So ayun, nagbibuild ako right now ng isang dividend portfolio. And REITs are one of the component that I am putting into this dividend portfolio. And that's all for this video and thank you for watching. And kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel, please consider subscribing and also liking this video.